I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Alright, in this build, of course you all know I had a video up with the actual demo of the truck or whatnot. This is a nice console. I think they were XV3, yeah. Subwoofers right here. He got two of those 12-inch subwoofers on the, I think it's SLB 5000, but we will be for sure. But of course right now I'm just gonna get y'all to walk around, let y'all check out the build. He wasn't at the truck at this time, so I just got what I could. But y'all know for sure I will bring y'all the demo if it's available. If I don't get the demo, I just got y'all what I could. Some people don't want to, some people do, but we're just doing what we can. So be sure to just, like I say, just a quick video of what I could, and then I got a demo of this vehicle later, and I'll be sure to get that video up as well.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.